Chuba nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Vice President jaka BJP badeiru nong pet jaka BJP Meghalaya Unit Chuba aw hakasngi ba IT no ekakam como president bethamai ke BJP Shaw Rikman Mumen uloong baka Jied yo Rikman como president kadai Namar ka jinglong ka jong u kabayay don bat kaseng hakajuk ko por Chuba lay thu ru baka seng ka pet thu yo Briew batray hok na kabanta kaseng bat kumta la Jied yo Rikman nalor ka taw laong ru baka samoy tray kam jong ba Ernest Mauri kalakut no como president bat kumta la Jied no yo Rikman Namar gulong ubalik red bat bayahap jing mud bat kipat pa.
Yes, rightly you asked. Now what happened in center, we have series of program. Every day some series of program. We are restless now because of program after program. Now Mera Mati, Mera Desh, now Seva Pakora, something, many programs are coming up. So what happened, all the party Karyakarta, we are involved them so that they will be busy with their work and they will work for the party. So there won't be any revolt, won't be anything, because this is not Mauri's program, this is national president who has given up. But here, people doesn't understand, and this is, people think that it's a Mauri program, revolt comes out.
Will be the other members who join the president? Will be the other members like the vice president and another?
Now that is team will constitute it because it is not here, because we have to take to the center and decide. Now very soon, because I'm told that his son is getting married on 11. After that I will take him to Delhi.
Will you be supporting the NPP candidate or you have your own candidate?
Regarding the election, we'll decide. Still we have not decided.
But how many people have approached the party for ticket?
No, till today, no one, because observation is going on, but I think we will work it out on right time. I know him only when I joined as a Prabhari here, 2020 November. So he works very silently without any media or anything coverage, but he works whatever assignment we give, he used to work like.
What is the criteria that party appoints? Because this decision has been taken only by the center. They will choose A, B, C, but what is the criteria to choose a person?
It is like that because party always see who is very loyal to the party. No such statement is given against the party. So we see this kind of criteria which really work for the party. So we choose this.
Against by Ernest Mauri, there was charges of nepotism. Is this the reason for this sudden change?
See, I'll tell you. This is a very nice question you ask. Any president cannot satisfy anybody. So definitely there will be revolt against the president. This is the quite phenomena everywhere. I was also president in Nagaland. There was not a single part people supported me. But still then, I have to work. So this way, Ernest Mauri has no fault. He has also worked hard. And what to do, accepting, not accepting, is people's choice. Mauri tenure is over. So that is why we are seeking a new president whom to be fittest to lead the party. So we found Rikman ji. He is a very humble man. And we believe that he has very good contact with the people. And I think he can lead.